Hello my dear students, I heartily welcome you all in this session. Our subject mathematics class 6th standard. In this class we are going to study in understanding elementary shapes, quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral, if you remember, is a polygon which have four sides. Which are sides here? AB, BC, CD and DA, and four vertices A, B, C, D, and four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. This is a quadrilateral. Do one thing, place a pair of unique sticks and they have their pointed joints at the end. Now place the another such pair meeting the free ends such point. What is the figure enclosed? This is a quadrilateral. Here as I said, so how to write these features? As I said, AB, these are sides BC, CD and AD. These are sides. Vertices A, B, C and D. And four angles, angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA. Which angle is it? That we have to denote middle. These are four angles. Again, using four unical sticks, all the four angles are acute. You have to find out that. See, if you have a two set square, you have to set like this as I have set. One in your instrument box you will get it. One is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree set square, and another 45 degree and 90 degree. And if you joint here, both you will have a pair of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree set. Place them as I have shown in the figure. You also get in your instrument box. What is the measure of each angle? This is a quadrilateral. Here four sides are there. This is a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. One more obvious property of a rectangle, can you see? The opposite sides are equal in length. Like if you set, it will be like this. ABCD is a rectangle and it is this quadrilateral is a rectangle. One more obvious property of a rectangle, the opposite sides, the AB is equal to CD and DA is equal to CB. Is it? So what are the other properties you find? All the angles are right angle in this what? Rectangle. If you pair 45 degree, take it out. If you 45 degree 90 set, if you join together, it will be a square. This is a quadrilateral QRST and it is a square. In this all the sides are equal. QR is equal to RS is equal to ST is equal to TQ. These all are equal in length. Is it? These all are equal in length and all angles are 90 degree. Yes, if you place 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree set squares in a different positions, you will get a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Here all sides are unequal. If you use 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree set square, you will get a rhombus. Here all sides are equal. This is a rhombus. Diamond shape. In your geometry box you will get, you do it this activity. I don't have that. Just check it. If you use several squares, you can build in a shape like this given here. Here is a quadrilateral in which a pair of two opposite sides are parallel. Two sides are parallel. This is trapezium. This is trapezium. Let us complete this box. Here is an outline summary of your possible figures. Complete it. Quadrilateral, opposite sides parallel equal, all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonals equal, perpendicular. Parallelogram. They are parallel S, equal S and all sides are equal? No, parallelogram not equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals equal. Perpendicular diagonals? No. They are perpendicular? No. Rectangle. Rectangle parallel, yes. Equal, no. Here, yes. Here, no. Equal, no. All sides are no, not equal. Sorry, opposite sides are equal, yes. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles, yes, equal. No, no. Square are parallel, opposite side equal, all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, yes, diagonals are equal and perpendicular. Fill the remaining and solve exercise 5.7. Polygons. So far you studied polygons of 3 and 4 sides. If 3 sides it is triangle. If 4 sides it is a quadrilateral that we have studied. So now triangles and quadrilaterals, we try to extend the idea. If it have 5 sides, it is pentagon. Polygon, idea of a polygon of a figure with more number of sides. We may classify polygons into numbers, more numbers. See, which have 3 sides, triangle. Which have 4 sides, quadrilateral. Which have 5 sides, it is pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hexagon. Which have 7 sides, it is heptagon. Which have 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it is octagon. Understand? Like that. Let's solve exercise 5.8. Examine whether the following are polygons. If any one among them is not, say why. See, this is not a polygon because it is not closed. If a polygon, it must be closed curve. It is not an open curve. It is not a polygon. This is a polygon. You write it. Name each polygon. It is quadrilateral, triangle. It is pentagon. It is octagon. Make 2 more examples of each of these. Draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon connecting any 3 of its vertices. Draw a triangle. Identify the type of a triangle you have drawn. See here, like that hexagon we have to draw, and connecting 3 points here, triangle we have drawn. Is it? This is a triangle. So which type of triangle it is? Which type of triangle? Here. It is acute angle triangle. You have to solve like this. Solve the remaining. It is homework for you. 3-dimensional shapes. Here some examples are there in your daily life. You will see. The ball is pear. The ice cream is form a cone. This can a cylinder. The box is a cuboid. The playing dice is a cube. This is the shape of pyramid. Observe here this. Which shape it is? It is like a cuboid. And is it like a cylinder shape? Is it like a cylinder shape? And this is like a cuboid? Yes. And observe this pen is like a cylindrical shape. Yes. So these are the shapes. These are 3-dimensional shapes. Faces, edges and vertices. In case of many 3-dimensional shapes, we can identify their faces, edges and vertices. Who we mean these terms? Face, edge and vertex. Vertices, it is a plural form of vertex. Consider one cube. See here, I will draw one cube. Observe here how to draw a cube. Okay. Take one more square here. Draw like this with the pencil in your notebook. Join here, join here, join here, sorry, and join here. Is it? This is the shape of a cube. It is a cube. See, each side of a cube is a flat surface. It is a flat surface. It is called a face. It is a flat surface is called a face or simply face. Two faces meet. These two faces meet at a line segment, it is called a edge. Here this upper and this face, upper face and this face joined, this line is a line, this line segment is called a edge, it is edge, and this is face. Three edges meet at the point is called vertex. Three edges, see 1, 2 and 3, this is what? Vertex, and this is vertex. So here again you may observe prism. This is a prism. It will be there in laboratory. When you will come to school, I will show you. This one face is triangle, so it is called triangular prism. The triangular face is also known as its base. A prism has two identical bases. The other faces are rectangle. This side and this side are rectangle. If the prism has a rectangular base, it is rectangular prism. Understand? One more, pyramid. A pyramid is a shape of a single base. The other faces are triangle. Here, observe these shapes. Here is a square pyramid. Yes, its base is square. This and a triangular sphere. The cylinder, the cone-shaped sphere have no straight edges, wherein cone and circle no edges, has two bases. Yes, these are three-dimensional shapes. Do this one. A cuboid looks like a rectangular box. It has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertices. A cuboid has whose edges are equal in length. It has dash faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Each face has one edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each face has one vertices. Each face have 2 vertices. Yes. So this also you write in your classwork and complete it. Solve the exercise 5.9. Cone, sphere, cylinder, this is a cylinder, cuboid, it is a pyramid, and give 2 new examples for each shape. What shape is your instrumental box? It is cuboid. A brick is a cuboid. A matchbox is also cuboid. A road roller is cylinder. A sweet laddu is sphere. Solve these exercises, which is homework for you. By this, your lesson has completed. Complete your classwork. Thank you.